I'm Geert Visser. I'm the CTO of Ictivity, one of the largest, fastest growing MSPs in Holland, Europe. It's more compliancy stuff, of course, because they used to have their own Exchange server, and it had to be, especially in the healthcare, we do a lot of stuff in healthcare. Patients need to be 15 years and personal data 7 years. So when it went to Office 365, it needed another solution to back up. I think a lot of resellers or competitors forget about that. And we looked like a year ago what kind of products there were in the market. And we tested 3. One of them was AvePoint. We do that through our distributor, Ingram Micro. They all needed done by system admins. So that was, we were really looking at something that gives them the self-service to do that. So there was a lot of problem. Performance, so time to bring data back was very slow. It was a large process to do that. So I think the last few years, Office 365 grew very quickly, and also the other parts besides Exchange. So the need for a good backup, a good restore with self-service was very important for the customer. I think the end we needed to make it seamlessly to the end user. The end user doesn't even know, even the CFO of our customer doesn't even know that's AvePoint. We just give them the functionality and we say we back up it with all the features it has. But it's a service from our company. Big resource we never really had. I can't even remember that we had a big resource, but small resource for losing a map, losing a file in SharePoint, lots of them. And that was our biggest concern. We need a tool that gives the end user easy way access to find the deleted data and bring it back. And that's really cool with AvePoint, using the Ava tool in Teams. That's awesome. Yeah, especially when we tested the software with the other two brands, and we had the best support from AvePoint at that moment. Every question was very quickly answered and in a proper way, so very cool. We didn't have any problems when we finally implemented. We got since summer, 4 customers running on it now. I think AvePoint is very specialized with a lot of people. I think 1,500 people just around this solution. Every other brand is doing it now, is creating it now to do also Office 365. So you're way ahead. AvePoint is way ahead of the other. As an MSP, it's very good to look because it's a SaaS, it's a complete solution. All the other brands I had to create the own infrastructure for it in Azure or somewhere else, choosing my own storage for it. So I need a lot of technical guys to maintain that. I don't need that with AvePoint. So that's really one of the biggest important things. And Ava and the multi-tenancy management platform, so we can see all our customers in one pane.